Colossus of Rhodes depicted the sun god Helios and towered over ships entering the city. Built from bronze and iron, it stood for only about 50 years before a massive earthquake brought it crashing down. Even
You've spent any amount of time dating in the last few years. You've probably had the same thought. You meet someone. Things seem promising. Maybe you start imagining where things could go. Then suddenly,
The owl noticed hundreds of tiny lights. The fireflies gathered together. Pip floated onto the shining trail, past the treetops.
Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? Answer C, ear.
In 2018, a strange story began circulating among security professionals online. Most dismissed it as fiction. Others claimed it was based on a real incident.
Which organ is least likely to develop primary cancer? Answer C, heart. What part of the human body heals the fastest? Answer C, tongue. Where is the smallest bone in the human body located? Answer C, ear. What is the name of the protein that gives blood red color? Answer A, hemoglobin. What does bone marrow produce? Answer B, red blood cells.